If your home gets dirty every day, this can change your routine. Here are 5 robot vacuums with auto docks so you can buy the right one. The real game changer is the auto dock. It empties the robot's dustbin. It washes the mops, so the robot is ready for the next run. That means you can forget about floor cleaning for weeks at a time. But these docks are not all equal, and the marketing can be confusing. We will judge them by pickup performance, mopping plus dock features, obstacle avoidance, and durability with easy maintenance. Okay, let's get into it. Number 5. The Roborock Crevo line. A go-to way to step into automated floor care without overspending. Who it's for? Homeowners wanting solid, reliable cleaning on a budget. Benefit you feel. Consistently cleaner floors with far less of your time. It handles daily dust, crumbs, and light spills. The dock empties, washes, and dries to cut hands-on chores. One trade-off, fewer top-tier extras than premium rivals. But it nails the essentials: self-emptying, self-washing, and self-drying. If your home is value-focused, pick this one. Smart, balanced, and reliable for most people. Number 4. The Dream L Ultra line. Dream pushes mopping performance hard. Who it's for? People who prioritize mopping, especially with lots of hard floors. Benefit you feel. Cleaner looking, cleaner feeling floors every day. Active scrubbing, not just wiping. The dock efficiently washes and dries the mops. One trade-off. Obstacle sensing is a step behind premium rivals. Verdict: mop daily and want a deal. Pick this. Flagship level mopping and dock functions at a lower price. Number 3. The Roborock S Max V Ultra line. Who it's for? Homes with a bit of everything. Carpet, hard floors, pets, and toys. Benefit you feel. Consistent results without pre-cleaning. Advanced obstacle avoidance with camera and AI helps dodge small surprises. Its dock handles the dirty work reliably. One trade-off. Price: you pay for the tech and components. Verdict: need all-around balance for complex homes? Pick this. A jack-of-all-trades that is master of most. Number 2. The Dream X Max Ultra line. Who it's for? Demanding homes that run frequent cleans and want a long-term appliance. Benefit you feel. Long-term reliability with extensive dock automation. It just works with fewer interventions from you. Trade-off: higher upfront cost and a physically larger dock. Plan the space. Verdict: if durability matters most, pick this. A feature-packed, built-to-last choice for power users. Number 1. The Roomba Combo Flagship. Who it's for? Buyers who want an established brand with broad support. Benefit you feel. Peace of mind and consistent, reliable cleaning. Obstacle avoidance is tuned for real homes, a standout for pet households. One trade-off. You may not get the newest hardware ideas first. If you want a name you can trust and strong support, pick this. A complete package of performance, polish, and support. Final picks. Best for pets. Best for hard floors and daily mopping. Best for carpets. Best value buy. My overall recommendation for typical homes.